Hey friends, this is Nimi Vincent. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to explain about the applications of Microsoft Excel application software. I hope that this video will be really helpful for the students from grade 5, 6 and 7. Let's learn the basics in Microsoft Excel. What is the purpose of Microsoft Excel application software? My dear friends, Microsoft Excel is a popular spreadsheet-based program that helps you to perform calculations and organize the data in an easy and concise manner. Microsoft Excel comprises many built-in features which can be used to carry out repetitive and complex mathematical calculations that can take hours, even days, to complete manually. So let's start Microsoft Excel. So in my computer system, I have downloaded Microsoft Office package. Microsoft Excel application software is coming along with Microsoft Office package. So how can we open Microsoft Excel? If you have Windows operating system in your computer system, you can go to Starts button, Starts menu, or you can go to your apps list, or you can just type in the search box, just type Excel, E-X-C-E-L, just type, then you will get it. The Excel app, you will get it. So now I have opened Excel software for you. Here you have some options. You can open new blank workbook, or you can open some pre-designed Excel workbooks. So as a beginner, you can open just a blank workbook. This is the first option for blank workbook. So I'm going to open blank workbook for you. So this is the opening screen of Microsoft Excel application window. So here you can see many parts such as title bar, ribbon, quick access toolbar, status bar, formula bar, and so on. So first we can look all the parts one by one. So here on the top left corner you can see here some buttons, which is very easy to do some operations such as saving the files. This one, the first button, saving, for saving the file. Then if you have done any mistake, so you can click undo, or you can press Ctrl Z, that is the shortcut key. So, and this is the redo button. It helps you to repeat the previous operation what you have done. So this area, this is called quick access toolbar. So very quickly, if you want to do some urgent operations such as saving the file or undo or redo operations, so you can use this quick access toolbar. Then just below this quick access toolbar you can see the menu bar, and this one, right side of the quick access toolbar, you can see there is one long bar where you can see the name of your document, and you can see the minimize button, restore button, or maximize button, and close button. So this top of the screen, which the long bar which you are seeing, that is called title bar. So on the title bar, you can view your file name, your document's name. So now it's by default, the file name is book 1. So whenever you are saving your document, you can change the file name with the new name. Then comes here is the menu bar with different menus like file menu, home menu, and so on. Then just below the menu bar, you can see so many formatting options and so many small icons which represents various tools. This section is called ribbon. Now below the ribbon, you can see here one box. It's automatically because the first box is automatically selected when we are opening the Excel window, and here it's written A1. A1 means it is the cell which is active. That means in the column A and the first row. So that is called A1. That is the name of the cell or the cell address. Here each box is called cell, CELL. So wherever you're clicking, each cell address is appearing in this box. This box is called address box or name box. So here it is F5 because see here the column. First one is column name. Here the active cell belongs to column F and the row number 5. So that's why its cell address F5 is appeared in the name box. Now just near to the name box, you can see here very long narrow white color bar. What is this? This is called formula bar. Okay, I told you before you can do so many mathematical calculations in Microsoft Excel. So for that you have to apply so many formulas and equations. So this all formulas and equations we are typing in the formula bar. Then comes columns. I told you columns, column A, column B, column C, like that. So there are 256 columns in one single worksheet. So this is a worksheet. Okay, your file, your entire document is called a workbook, which may contain one or more worksheets. Same like in your textbook, same like a book. In one book, there are lots of pages. Same way, in one workbook, it may contain one or more than one worksheets. Here you can see at the bottom, sheet 1. By default, when we are opening Microsoft Excel window, sheet 1 is appearing on the screen. If you want to add extra sheets, you can click the plus button which represents new sheet just nearby sheet 1. When you press over here, you can add new worksheets. When I pressed that plus button, automatically it's coming sheet 2. So here it is sheet 1 and here is sheet 2. Again I'm pressing plus button, so sheet 3. Suppose in sheet 1 I'm going to make one mark sheet of grade 6. So I want to change the name. This sheet 1 I want to rename. So how can I do? Just right click over here, then you will see the rename. Click rename option, then you can type the new name for your worksheet. So here I'm going to type mark sheet grade 6A. Then sheet 2, I would like to I'm going to make one mark sheet of 6B, another division. So right click, same way, rename. Then you can type the new name. Here I'm going to type mark sheet 6 division B. So like that, how many worksheets you want, you can add, and you can rename the worksheets. Now here you can see on the left side the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. This area is called column numbers. Column numbers. Sorry, row numbers. Row numbers. This one. Okay, this area, row number 1, row number 2, row number 3, row number 4 and so on. And here column A, column B, column C, column D and so on. And this is the sheet tab. Before I told you sheet 1, sheet 2. So here this area is called sheet tab, from where you can select suitable worksheets. Then here you can see the scroll bars, horizontal scroll bar. You can move your screen left or right, and you can move your window up and down by using the vertical scroll bar. So this is the vertical scroll bar, and down bottom here you can see the horizontal scroll bar. Then here you can see here you can see ready, and here you can see zoom options. You can zoom in or zoom out. So this bar is called status bar. Okay, now let's begin with mark sheet 6A. Here I'm going to type 5 students marks of 5 subjects. So you will get the basic idea how to do. So as usual, you just type and that's it, and make the mark sheet. Okay, I'll show you how to do. First I want to type the heading mark sheet 6A. So for that, here you can see each cell is very narrow, not too much broad. So what I will do, first I have to merge or combine the cell. Okay, so for that I'm just selecting. Here I'm going to type the heading. Okay, so I'm just choosing the first some column. This is called column range or cell range. We will say cell range. So I'm selecting from B3, not B3, let me see. Yeah, so here I'm choosing from B. Okay, from B3 till I can say M3. Okay, then here on the top in home tab you can see merge and center. Okay, I'm going to combine all of these cells and the center alignment. Okay, so here I'm going to type the heading mark sheet grade 6A. Okay, fine. See, now you can see before it was all splitted cells. Now it is combined, it is merged, and now it is combined cell. Now here I'm going to type number, like what do you say, serial number. Then here I'm going to type name, name of the student. Okay, normally the name will be a little lengthy names, so I would like to increase the column width. Name, and here 5 subjects, suppose math. You can use if you want to go to the next cell, you can use either right arrow key or tab key on your keyboard. So here I'm pressing tab key, that's easier for me. So after math, English, I'm just typing the short forms of the subjects. Then again I'm pressing a tab key. Then I'm going to type science. Okay, then I'm going to type computer subject. Oh, see here, the computer subject. See, the R is coming a little bit out of the column, so I would like to increase the column width like that. Then you can type one more subject, suppose social studies. So I'm just typing the short form SS. Now I'm just making only 5 students. So 1, 2, then 3, 4, 5. No need to waste your time like that. After type, if you have 50 students in one class, it will take more time to type all the serial numbers. So there is one shortcut way. Just select the first 2, then just if it is continuous pattern of the numbers, you just select it. Then see, look at the mouse pointer, it's just like a small black cross. So when you see that black cross mark, you just click the left button and drag your mouse downwards until you reach the final number. You just see, now I saw the number 5 on my screen. Now I'm going to release the mouse button. That's it. See, now this method is called fill series option. So that's wonderful, right? Now I'm just typing the names of the student. Now I'm just giving some marks for them. As usual, you can just type. I'm just giving the marks out of 100. You can use the arrow keys, okay, to navigate the screen. You can use the arrow keys, up and down arrow keys you can use, and you can very easily you can type the data. These details are called data. Next, science. Next, computer. Social studies. Now, so this is the data entry. This is the basic data entry in our this one, Microsoft Excel. Now we can save the document. So in the next video I will show you how to set the formatting of the data, and how to set the borders for the cells, and calculations, how to calculate the sum of these marks and the average of the marks. So these all things in detail I will explain in the next video. Now I will show you how to save it. Click the file menu and just click save or save as option. So I'm going to click save option. Now I'm going to, you can select where you want to save. You can select the folder and subfolder, you can choose. Now I'm going to choose my folder already which I had created in documents folder. There is a folder named NIMI. I'm going to double click and I'm giving the file name Marksheet. Just click save. Now after saving, on the title bar, see on the top you can see the file name, your document name, Marksheet. That is the name of the workbook. So with the details about calculations, formulas, and formatting the text, and setting the borders, so many things are coming up in my other videos. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. And don't forget to hit the bell notification icon. And of course, please post your comments and valuable suggestions. I'm waiting for that. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.